Julius Ayokabe, Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. I already have a many, I do. I can't get the
All right, thank you so much, Mommy and Papa. Them, good morning. I will try to make sure say this show be as brief as possible. Happy Sunday for all men who watch this show. And like I always talk, if you join, you got to share because you be aware now. Say this page be very much suppressed. So if you not share, a couple of people don't forget this thing because learn to put in get notification when we come on. So you know, I mean. So once you join, you share very extensively. We'll make sure say we share and we'll know how you watch. So today we'll just go straight to the point. We're talking about regional elections, you know, where it don't just come out for happen, you know, and anytime we would move further for revolution, we get to always learn. For see how would they re-strategize, would they capitalize on the issues the way we don't make mistakes from. You see, Ambazonia not be some concept where it never ever exists. Now revolution, now war of independence, where it don't always exist and it will still exist. Not be Amba will be the last war of independence where some country will fight them. There will still more, they will still come. And might tell you one thing when I don't know. You see, right now for the world, a couple of things that happen. I want to take we go only for Ethiopia. Wait till go on for Ethiopia between the Tigray rebels and the central government for Ethiopia. Now see how much the world put attention there. The world put a lot of attention for Ethiopia. When I see how media report them all over and so on and so forth within a shortest period because of interest. Ambazonia get to understand one thing, Mommy and Papa them. You know, the world now a place where interests matter. In fact, interest is the only thing where they drive the world and the world politics. And if you don't understand which side of touch this interest, they will kill all your people. Nothing will happen. Because why Paul Biya the family regional election hold? Now because of the political interest, not because it want any other thing. Now for proof to you say yes, I'm still in charge, I'm in control. And so he go do a thing in regional election, he don't finish. I'll come for regional election. I beg if you join as you watch, just the share, we're very close to have 1,000, which is excellent. Great. No announcement and with the suppression, the long term of this number, very excellent. So once Ambazonia not to touch the interest for La Republique, we will in turn affect La Republique its partners, then they consider and say, well, no day. Because when you call yourself leader and you know she don't down for draw a map on the pivotal points where your enemy use them for thrive, you waste your time. When your own map is then on top your own people, you don't fail. Whether you like or not, I'll sit down and say only one man pick up on this thing and everything. Until Ambazonia they should don't back, they withdraw strategy. They pinpoint 10, 15, 20 interest where na La Republique he had, then go for it. All the things that I can say, election done, I go lock down people, burn for that taxi. How do I concern Pobia? If you like go kill all mommy the way they go church for Kumbu, you not get nothing for do Pobia and so you go cry. I am mommy them. See, I will still talk this thing. Interest, naive drive society. You know, you don't ask yourself why we're heading for inside America. When man become president, he form an entirely new cabinet because he want people they will work with them, people they will respect him. So until Ambazonia get to understand this aspect, not be some rocket science, not be some Nigerian love movie where they say watch out for part 2, they calculate how part 2 will be. No. This one are facts. Nothing the way they so easy, so straight for Siam and so on and so forth. I talk very clearly. People the way they never understand the geopolitics for the world. I feel say without any prejudice, I think the dullest leaders the way they don't ever exist for any revolution are Ambazonian leaders. To be honest. Yes. I think so. Because if you look all other leadership, even the Manamdi Kanu for the Igbo stuff, it be strategic. Every day BBC they power by him. He get people them, all Igbo people they watching. So the first thing where all Ambazonians they get for Shidong down, I have to tell you wait for your house in watch, you be leader for your own capacity. You feel do things 2 billion times past people they make noise on social media because probably you get the means. Most, if not all of them are the work, but 99.99% of the leaders them so called that they didn't work. They depend on your contribution. So make it be very, very clear. The aspect for interest. Now I will go further and say where to be interest, like Republic interest or inside Ambazonia. Where to be their international partners and interests for inside Ambazonia and Cameroon. You got to identify them. We'll continue to talk this fact before I even go more for the interest issue. Please, once you join, you share, and then you hashtag Monoside Watch. Once you join, you share. Some people say no volume, no, there's volume perfectly. If you don't get volume, go out of the stream, come back, or you restart your phone. There's volume. Now, today we be now waiting. Regional elections. When are they safe? It be regional elections. And I've not talked about the past days. They say election will go 100%. Because the so-called Ambazonian leaders do not even get the mindset to understand policies and how to implement them. And now talking very clearly, the highest people when they betray Ambazonians for make a mini election whole, the people when they facilitate the election by 1,000,000%, now the people they for diaspora where they go call lockdown. And I will explain for you why. Lockdown help not where Paul Biya be one time. Not where all the SGOs and GOs they be one time. Governors them. All the security personnel. The point they go to say lockdown for inside the day where election day. They assist La Republique. Why I see when I post picture of Fonangwa from Binlo for so say, oh, they don't betray Amber. This is they go vote against their poor that wish. I laugh. When I know why I laugh. If that poor they betray at 2%, 98%. Now these fools them and hooligans them and jobless poor they for diaspora where they need to think before they do something. So listen very attentively. I'm not talking very clearly. The facilitate La Republique in voting. It's simple. When you call lockdown, you talk say for play the get a vote. All man don't lockdown. You as Amber, you fight na guerrilla warfare. How you feel say fighter fit now go on top bike or taxi go attack Chibo with one vote or go take councillor. You help all those councillors, they will move them, put them for one place. I will tell them another year. They will always be able to play the whole vote. We will see them for camera. We will see Equinox them, cannot date them. They did it. Because government be already, you not be toxic for the way election, they will not be general election, you lock put them down. Then how your guerrilla fighters will sneak inside crowd for go take cheap with one vote. Now the first people for post picture for councillors and for Boyo or Fundom. When I post a picture, group picture, they do with SDO or Nadio. That one shows you it means that they don't converge. All they've done there for some particular place. Then now, that council they take pictures, snap on the system, I take on a hand share, but when I lock na population, when I go burn na innocent driver in taxi. When I cause na some man when I in here on chop for lucky store. And then the foolish point enjoy them for them they hear all that they will not make no sense. When listen, you gotta be rational in your thinking. You see? You have to be rational in your thinking. So when you say sometimes lockdown accept authority over for the territory. No. Each time you want to do something, you have to look at the pros and the cons. When you lock down, it accept the authority by 1%. How you even accept the authority when they try to prevent them still hold 100%? You make a mockery of yourself. There's nothing about authority over any territory. The authority now will stop the way La Republique want me happen, make me not happen. And there could have only been one way if they not get locked down. People they will be able this Sunday. If you say for more cash on Jesus or councillors, either time they don't go vote, they come back and stuff like that. But now we lock down. Military look out, say any man will see now for street and amber. So now help military for do a job. We now for diaspora here. That's what you put it. Because of common sense. That is what you people did. You go lock down. Election don't hold 100%. Now, I don't take una hand on the share picture for Fonangwa for where we vote. Una help now. Una do all the job for La Republique. Una lock down. Una help them. Me place clear. Me councillors they go vote. They can't go vote. They take the picture. They una share them for social media, for WhatsApp. Una share them pass all man. They don't take picture where they don't go vote. They give una. Una still take on the help international community for say. That chief they go vote to, they're on that going to the help against the other commission like creating chiefs them. God look so they were Amber brothers, so I look and say, oh, I don't know why I said that way they be some of now why they be take on a brain, they go change a monkey, do one for dog or give one for monkey. I don't understand because you guys, to be honest, if they want to say go and buy the dullest leaders in the world, not fine and far away. It is for example, just buy the thing. You see? So it be so pathetic. Say now, when you use your hand and share for Nangwa for that picture. When I share from below. The man from Saw, it will be very important. See, at the time when I be releasing, we release it, that was important. At least now they don't see extent for betrayal. It's still go vote. But even at that, it betrayal now less than 2%. Because, listen, my tell you one thing I want to understand. It be so easy for we as Ambazonians who will be able to shut down on the councillors and the chiefs, not on the population. Yes. So that one I go for teach you now one lesson. When you see the first biggest failure for noisemakers on social media about so-called draft money, it be easy, right? When I claim say, when I get forces for a local government, when I get for counties and so on, and so on, I get on this side and so on and so forth. But where were the forces? Did they also take bribe to allow the councillors to go and vote? Yes. Without the fight that they for Fako. How they catch any chief or any councillor. And all man knows how all councillors stay. Not only one man before do them every tattoo. I be telling them. Say so long as I not put my foot, say this election, it will go 100%. I think finish now, okay. From today, all the councillors them, they will not see peace. And I will make sure they don't. But of what essence? When you get completely ungrateful people where their own work now will bring conspiracy theory. When I go stop election, that was 100%. When I should not so and say when I look on myself like Amber and I say you will lead away, you will make noise here. Tell me how you feel today, after today. Now December this draft money because don't come in. When I will use draft money disturb the whole election. Election pass of Bamenda or not yet one gun. You want me to go shoot gun for that? Kumbu they vote fine and put the wrong gun at church, go to ask Christians say why we go church. You leave play the vote, you go ask na man go church. Say who fit turn and go church, we lock down. You lock down man for go church. Are you not sick? And you get the point? So it be absolutely important for people that for Grand Zero for no say. We not get no person from America when I call and say leader when I get for the he get for carry you instruction. Each time when they put the you instruction where they help now them. You get the point? They don't go today, they go to church. Some they don't go to work. They be the whole night from they touch that woman them. Yes. Every missile I go dinner last night. You can't stop me. No. Why I never can tell you, say me you lock down for some the way the man go curse you, you never even go church, you listen. For you know say you not get no direct impact. Your lockdown get zero impact on regional elections. You see? So that's the situation. So your lockdown gets zero impact. And now, I will try now to talk about the impact for the regional elections on Ambazonia. The only thing where this election is success do, now say, it help we foresee the so-called fake leaders where they claim they don't raise money for draft. It show them, it expose them as yam heads. All man hashtag yam head leaders. All man. Yam heads. Sardine said better pass them because human being chop sardine. Now yam head leaders. That's why it expose them. But the right question and I say, the regional election where a vote will don't take place, it get any impact on the Ambazonia War of Independence? The answer is a capital no. Zero. All that you don't go vote, it not change nothing. Nothing. Put that down. All those things and now, when I talk about war on ourselves, about things not being necessary, not being important. Yes. It not change nothing. Regional elections or regional election, it not change the focus for the fight. Regional election not change nothing. But it was important. So that means it helped me Ambazonia and continue to see leaders that don't fool them over the years. So we will look at two sides of this particular regional election. The impact, the downtrodden, the down path impact for the revolution on the revolution are zero. Yes, zero. Thank you. All man, the hashtag Yamhead leaders. They don't know what they are doing because their interest now for money. So the regional election don't help we expose all these armed robbers of America where they only can start make noise on Facebook. I be telling them, say they cannot do anything because they don't have the capacity, because they are stealing the money, because they were lying about draft. The small they get dollars and will pay their rent. So now, oh, I don't see now, I don't open. You can't claim say you support Sako, Ano, and the rest of them. Oh, now we get draft. How do you feel now? Are you not ashamed of yourself? That one they said not be yam head them. That bad yam head leaders, that bad yam, that wo yam way now they a parasite. Yes. You can't claim everything I make noise. Oh, the local government will take care of the draft money, the counties, this is the federal level that they drop, plan the way because they won't only remain relevant. Where is the draft money? Where is the money? Elections don't hold. We will not be able to take one chief or councillor out of $2 million. One. And tomorrow one guy can't make noise. Tomorrow every day now, Chris and Wokoka want to interview Bohebe. How is he helping this struggle? Did he help the struggle? How? Interviewing and not even know which are the key points in there for touch the Republic. Are there actions the one online up for Douala and Yaoundé? Douala Yaoundé Bafousa. I don't any of them so man way which of them don't contribute. As I watch me so honor more than half 1,000. Which man don't talk say no, we will support this thing for Douala. When everyone wait now, yes, oh, something happened for Douala, something happened for Yaoundé. I don't talk so no before. Maybe I want to finish today on the year. Or inside the week so they come. Just a lot no see. Because the strategy they there for win the war. And every time to get the strategy. I'm telling you, I forgot about shutdown. Election will hold 100%. You see the point? So people say, well, you see my flag. No, please, I don't put my flag. I don't move on. I'll just show you sign my flag there so that. Let's see. See my flag. My flag right here. So that's my flag. So it should be there for now. So we have the flag. So flag not be the flag is the highest property in my house. My amber flag. I don't see I don't be one ambassador away in the border about small the TikTok about. So my flag is there together with the American flag. Yes. So maybe all time we move and bring it and stuff like that. I'll get another pair. You know, I used to get them and then people they take them. So that one stays there because it's very strategic. When you enter the house, you have to most. You get for most, yeah. So to be honest with you now, and this is not a joke. Now only one person, day for the diaspora away, especially for the America. If you save on this revolution, then get an Eric Tato. I'll talk any day, write them down. One, anything I talk will not follow. The negative repercussion, the negative effect will be overwhelming. Absolutely, it will be overwhelming. Make it be very clear. Ambazonia must understand the strategic nature of others. Yes. Ambazonia must understand. He must understand. Just like some people they say, for be upright, your energy for be upright is the greatest problem when you get about Africa. Africa don't like upright person, and that's the truth. But Ambazonia they must learn from Nosi. Uprightness is the king, not the core will start this independence movement. It be so strategic. Say, listen, I be so happy about what don't happen all these days. You see now, the not come out and talk. We not ever can talk. Don't she also look so bad what's going on? Because God used this today Sunday for expose their thievery and their lies telling and their incompetence. You get the point? We're going to win this war. Whether like will be like or not. We're going to win the war. And you see, the bad leaders, they automatically sifted themselves. You should not believe they make noise so the whole place will always $2 million for draft. $2 million. Where is the 2? Where's the 2 million? Where? Who say it end? It end again for Iringwa bedroom. Do I know say not Iringwa? But they boy but they make noise. How they have raised money, they have done this. Tomorrow they can't tell you different story about the draft. But you raise 2 million, you not be able to stop one councillor. One me no go vote. $2 million. You talk about how much that is CFA. $1 million be equivalent to 600 million CFA. 600 million. So you talk about how many million? Now 1.2 billion that. $1 million that means 1,001 million CFA. You use that one self cash one councillor for phone down, see councillors them as a stand for picture. Then as so they circle put they take and share them. Say, oh, these are traitors, they are taking picture preparing for elections. No, they are not traitors. They are doing their own bargain. You did not fulfill a part of your bargain. You took money, 2 million, you could not arrest the councillors. They took 100,000 from Pobia and they took pictures and they gave you and you are still sharing. So when I see when I make noise on Facebook, I don't look and I laugh. Once every cat of the lion doesn't roar, what happens? The election go on. If I only my voice ever come and say, if I see you, they know. No man will go vote because I will get them after. But when activists and they talk like women and female voices. That's it. Who the fear man when they talk where a voice already swing past pussy? If you can talk to it. Look at where they don't try all way to suppress all our pages across. But we still remain on top of the game. Yes! I'm telling you the fact. So when I see the situation where we don't put ourselves because of propaganda. We say the acting now, the whole got to say, when they almost kill 2 red dragon people, now 2 the red dragon, which is very poor. How did they even get to that level where you see the point? You don't fight the war and come and stay in the house. Now you see yesterday the way we constantly make propaganda and say, oh, FEMA shall not attack some motor then kill some military on revenge. No, there was no attack in the BLM. There was no attack in the BLM and stop that nonsense propaganda. So when we look things, when we see things like that, I don't talk to my heart say, well, to a man don't know it bad past dark. You get the point? To a man don't know it bad past dark. Because you not understand the reason for the perpetual propaganda. You know what say it was an attack in the BLM, let's say the BLM is in spirits. When I want to attack for the BLM, I have fake profiles, they always right. You can't see the one say, oh, they don't accuse the Patricia Scotland, the Commonwealth woman, say, it take one and waiting for beer and so on and so forth. Who accused him? Commonwealth woman get a problem with the waiting money them for inside Commonwealth will not be related to Cameroon. Now the highest fake news that we am by the share now. And as fake profile right and one Jennifer wait now man pick the bad woman name. And so on when I share. No way. When I never say if truly say some investigation will go on for Patricia Scotland, we take money for Cameroon. Who will be first one for publishers? Now National Telegraph. Where you want share something, go look on my page. That kind of information. You not see I will share with you. No, we'll be honest. All these quacks them where they do on Facebook, where they use fake profile, they scare the figure information password, they not fit ever. They not get the craft, they not get the resources. They know apart from say they copy for WhatsApp group them, copy and paste them the way put they send out. With most 99% of the they call WhatsApp now fake, they not be verified. If I take information with someone share on me say it come also for Catholic Church, this or Kumbu, I will call it 10 priests them for that diocese for find out before I'll get the right information, not be distorted. Because if you call 10 people, say, okay, they say 5 people they die. You call 10 people they tell you say 4. Then one man tell you say 5. Call again the extra 5. Then the other 5 tell you say 4. They go publish 5 because say you like 5, say 5 not plenty. No. You need publish news now which you like and the publish now which is a fact. So now just I see the Amber they share them. You will share that news. Right now, they say I'm a fool or say I'm sorry. You go share and you say, oh, they say Patricia's come and take money. We can't Cameroon. This is who talks it. You see? No, you can't do like only 2 and now, and then you want to see editor to come and up to a page. How comes? And then when you publish, I say, oh no, you try to protect the woman because maybe be like Republic, no one expose like Republic. You want my right lie because I won't please you, Amber. Clap for yourself. So these are the things that we must know. Yes. That's the point. If I a person, you talk for you, say, no attack will not take place for the BLM. And that's the truth. That's the truth. No attack will not be taken for the BLM. You see? So, it be very important. The regional election don't come, it don't go. Which way Amber don't learn now, it be important. The regional election don't get nothing to do. It help we, Amber, for refocus, for re-strategize. It not add or reduce anything for the war. It not show all elections they always hold, whether we like or not. Which way will be important and imperative. Now, La République, the heartbeat. So if you touch and so you go touch that government, that is that be important. That's it. That's what is important. So you know, I will say talk today to tomorrow. Say, listen, I tell the truth. No leader for this America, nothing tell me nonsense. None of them gonna broke people. No way, no day. They not try that nonsense until they go get a job or get a business to run. You get the point? Until that is done, let them forget it. There is nowhere in the world where poor man don't run revolution. Check and show you one leader where don't run revolution will be absolutely poor and jobless. Yes. Show me one. All the ones that get and hear what they claim say they live in a career thieves and fake pastors. All other leaders they will get history for something. I mean, for America, where people they do IT courses for 1 month, 6 weeks, they get job them. Sakona citizen, he even be unable for even go do even as Scrum Master get job. Unable, absolutely, because he's been in that cocoon of laziness and armed robber for that matter. Every day I keep out telling this thing till today, till tomorrow. You don't have to go up, come down, and make all down a noise. I will tell now 1 million times. This regional election don't tell now. Say una money, una money remain for America. They will chop them very well. They will draft money. If at all they ever recover anyone, redeem anyone, una not see $1 for that. $1. Una not see. Na me I talk. $1. Because these jobless people, they get things for do. My turn on one thing. When I know why when I go take my dinner, they for find the poster because of my money. And now my chest 100%. I need one no Amber money $1. I don't move action the day to Douala Yaoundé. You get the point? Action the Douala Yaoundé any of these days or so. Douala Yaoundé, maybe every night to Ngandere, we don't plan. So we see how the thing unfold. If you take with time, they will strike. Excuse me, I can't say, oh, Amber, you have to help. Because when I need here 12 again, when I hear now 16, I always pass time for 12. Yes. People you should not hear, they want to see miracle, magic. Me, I will talk on Facebook, reach myself, use my money. Are you kidding me? No, we'll be honest. You want to see action in Bafoussam, you want to see action across the Mongo, but you don't want to contribute. You have an Eric Tato. It's not going to work like that. So, it be very important. The regional election never do anything for destroy our revolution. Nothing. Not give La République credit. Until they cry, say, they fund, they betray. No, forget about those people. They not betray self nothing at 2%. They help for expose the original people that they betray this struggle. Because today I wait is 6th of December. When you can't just say December, people will start see fire. Means the recovery plan is already there. So every the one they will see, move forget about say put the pledge not pay. The one the way they began will not be pledged, when I be read and say cash came in this amount, one came in this amount. Where is the cash? Where is the cash? Oh man, we're going to create a new hashtag. The hashtag will be now WIT. WID. Where is the draft? Where is the draft? When I write down with the WID. Now hashtag WID. Where is draft? Oh man, WIT. WID. Now no hashtag that. When the doctor make that noise, ask and go hashtag WIT. Where is draft? WID. Oh man, once you on my hashtag. Now ask them. Where is draft? Where is the draft money? WID. Where is draft? Thank you. WIT. WID. Oh man, with hashtag and 2 billion times. Where is the draft? WID. WIT. Where is draft? May they bring the draft money now. WID. All my watch me hashtag. And after this, now go hashtag for our Facebook pages. Say now every time to talk. Say now the question now WID WIT. Where is draft? From say draft is in Maryland. I wish you were in Maryland. I would have seen it. Where is draft? Regional election don't hold. Wusa draft day Sako. Where is draft? When I say, I told you for the past 4, 5, 6 months. When you every year old, you the way pressure comfort come for them and Chris and they can talk say, may they go arrange, bring for them, they can call so that will motivate for them to call. I will not turn and say, now cat they play. You cannot be in America with 2 hands, you don't work. You still. That's the point. Yes, you must thief if you don't work for America. Now must. Or you stay in the street and you beg burger for $1. So where is draft? WID WIT hashtag. Where is draft? No, we'll be honest. Where is draft? Where is draft? Draft don't go holiday for Dubai. We go for some island. We have a 5 island where I ever go there. We draft don't go to island from Maryland. We don't come out Houston, go for Detroit from Michigan. So where is draft? That's the question. Everybody asks that question. Regional election, for Fako. Now over longer they can campaign. My family was stronger than they did. Where is draft? 2 million. Where is the draft? When I explain for we the pics on I explain for we keep draft. When I be facing on Facebook and write, yeah, we just drafted, man you drafted, boy you drafted. And very soon they will draft it. Where is the draft? This is December. When I see election and they fall for the town and promise draft. All man don't go vote now, she don't answer. And I think that the next life I can't take people. Oh, they say draft day for crab house. That is a possibility. It's a possibility. The draft can be where they say crabs. Because to be honest, Sako like crabs. Sakona seafood man. The man like crab. And good wine. Good wine. So please, if you are not drafted for Boyo, go and draft. So that you will use your money to eat crab. Stupid people, as a matter of fact. To be honest. You see? That's the point. No way, no day we will fight the revolution in this manner. With dishonesty, with thievery, with lies telling. You know? That's the point. I will talk and repeatedly. Every day I still talk this thing. But listen, my having to give Sako, it be very important. My talk on one thing. Any man waiting for you, watch me now. I get one man, one person where I'll give you recommendation, one, and I'm gonna listen. You see the problem we'll get them. The problem we'll get them will be very clear. Ni all man know. Now, joblessness. Now the problem that we Amber get them. Joblessness among its leaders, so-called leaders. When Bo Herbert cash she don't on top ABC, for example, in the talk, you look here, ask your first see. When leader won't go for Switzerland, he not be pay own flight. Now the kind one come from place. If not be association pay, he go pay from his pocket. When leader, when you go negotiate, then you go there, the best way, if call you for the negotiation, you pay your flight. It don't weaken your power. If they say, Eagle won't go some play, take different win, take win for bad, or go borrow batty eye. If you imagine. So, all we therefore understand, these guys are not joblessness, desperation. All they need to work. All of them, they need to work. That's the truth. Sako gets 0 job. 0. But Herbert is jobless. Absolutely jobless. Now, money they don't even have Maurice, all that Maurice contribution then. Now they don't can join the pigs and now they do all the Food Johnson and food. They all them, not only Food Johnson, they work now. So. All of them. From Chris and Food Johnson, they can't hear. If you say contribution, will see the pass. You don't stay hungry, don't knock, you don't go find work. It's working now. Yes, somewhere around Bow, yeah, it work. They raise them, no job. Sako, no job. Chris Anu, no job. Boy Herbert, no job. The only one way, okay, you get Food Johnson, the work. The other one way, the Muslim man will say, why the Muslim scholar, when you read Quran upside down, he go Canada, they too hungry, one kill. If you say, all that confusion does the pass. Now I don't want to go back. We say it today. Okay, I'll answer some questions. Man, say, Mr. Eric, so if you don't take action, no so-called leader can take action. Where were ADF? Good question. So ADF, for you can answer that one question. A question that I don't ask them. So, whatever be the case, we're focused on the draft issue because you talk about $2 million here. And not necessarily ADF not get a popular portal for raise money. We talk about they can talk about 2 million. You know what's 2 million? No, let's be honest. You know what's $2 million? You know what is $2 million? You know what is $2 million? Let's be honest. It's a lot of money. A lot. I mean, at least for an African to have it. You see, you can do a lot of things in the world with $2 million. But that is where you find yourselves. That's 1.2 billion, mommy and papa. You talk about 900 million plus another 300 million, but I want to use that 100 because it's 1.2 billion. So mommy they didn't understand. Ma divide into 2, mommy. It means say you get so man they give $2 million, means you get 900 million. You keep about one corner. You still got another 300 million. You go come on 1.2. And money that way, Sako they not feel for stop one councillor. Yes. I'll check some information that will come in. So, I mean, so I just get information, just come in now from Parish House for Akum. Akum Narasa of Santa for Northern Zone, where they don't attack Father Viban. I think they don't come in just now this year. One Father Viban and the seminary where they shoot them. And they talk for yesterday how they shoot them. I don't call them. But I will write the news, put on Telegraph. So, when I go shoot my father, now in this. My son on Ocean, small on Ocean, I was catching on the worship. You don't see her. So, you see what you talk? Look the hazard. We put the cosa. Chief the vote, when I go shoot my father, clap on herself. Excellent. Yes. Chief the one vote, cancel the one vote, when I go shoot my father for our own parish. And then I won't get Catholic that support. So now see the way the leader they operate now. If probably I not pay the for the instruction, me boys they do the kind of dirty job. When I suppose one time say, oh no, maybe Amber, maybe not Tanga and boys, my hear that nonsense. When na Amber condemn her. Yes, a person don't write the amount for that money, then 1,200 million. 1,200 million. That's a lot of money, man. So it be important. When I see my father died for church, Father Biban. They don't attack you. Shut up, whiskey for a motor. So it's a very, 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 very pathetic situation. You can't do that. So when you leave, people they go vote, you go attack father. What do you think? So now the situation that we did, I just make sure see I check so that I get any update. So they attack parish priest for Akum. I don't just share the video because on WhatsApp good on us. That's here. That's it. The one come also now direct eyewitness, and I go write on the telegraph. So now see how when I leave, cancel them. We draft money. When I go use now Lido money attack a priest. How is that helpful? Where's draft? Wheat. So that's exactly the point. It be very important as the word important. I'll end this show today for talk saying. Just like Waman Sako and the rest of no get job. Might give one advice. The easiest way. Might give one advice. Full Johnson, don't be very smart. You don't go find work. I know can't classify for that job. But even when man working for McDonald's, any site, now work, it be very important. All mankind the country start from somewhere. All man for life start from somewhere. Even people the way they born them, where they born them to rich families, they start from somewhere by me that papa they first sign the will before they even inherit the money. So you must start somewhere. I will always encourage people. And number one word is what I talk. All might watch me more than 1,000. More listen very attentively. I'll be happy say last time I talk about this Scrum class, plenty of them don't call. And I want you to talk on today because the class is start already. It's more than the end registration. All man, in fact, any person we call today, talk saying you call them, I will intervene and give small discount. Any man, I'll give the phone number. Now it's Scrum School. It be very, very, no, it's terrible. It be very, very important for we to know this. Because they say information are power. I see plenty of people in America here, they don't get information. That's why they might remain in the same place. So I'll give us this information. It'll be very important. Might see so that message on come in from some other person. See? Okay, now I don't receive this one before now. I cancel on that they vote. You see, see? Now pictures on that, they take pictures of the governor, SGO, GOs, and so on. Well, so that is the situation. When you cannot use draft money for stop having this small number of people, then you can imagine. So I want to talk, say, we'll be very sorry about what happened for Reverend Father Anthony Viban, for the parish priest of Akum. So we'll get to the root of this matter. You cannot attack the parish priest. You cannot. So we'll talk about the Scrum School before I go. Because I got just a few minutes to go. I know I'm really sure ever long. Yeah. So I'll just go there. So you call today, do your registration. You will get discount. This school where you train at 6 weeks maximum. They train you quality assurance, everything. Scrum, daily Scrum, So when you come out there, before you want to come out, they train you for make sure you have to answer, write the exam pass, and have to take job interviews. And average, the people they get from no one thing. Scrum, they rule the world now. Scrum, they like a project manager, like human resource management in the physical. Let me put it that way. So any man where you watch me at this time, it no matter how you are for East Africa, or for Southern Africa, or for Central Africa, or for Asia, any side, Europe, America, anywhere, call this number, both direct, or the one number when direct and WhatsApp. Call them. Because if I get, say, we get 1,000 Scrum Masters a winner and Bazonians, they will help the struggle. Because you'll get enough money for take care of yourself. And then if you even give someone for put one shot crap, and then you still contribute for struggle. So we got the phone number now, +1 240 701 7796. +1 240 701 7796. Write the number down, pin over there. Oh man, like, up where you watch me now. Call if you get your sister, if you want to put a call, they tell you say you want discount. So every time they say they'll give you discount, yes, they'll give you small discount. Call them. +1 240 701 7796. So after this, we'll now check Telegraph in the next 10 or 15 minutes. I will not put that story for the parish priest where they attack you. The full names. You see, I've just to communicate for you. If you see, I just talk with my source on the ground because it begins at one name. So if you see I'm for here, I don't write say which be the full names. You just reply me right now. So you see. So I've done this shot to communicate, forget all the facts. Well, I'm feeling that it will take me like 5 minutes or make more calls before we post them. But you want to come on directly because video day, the person don't put voice mail with picture, everything. So it be a bad thing, just to say the least. So any man way if he join me, make sure say he share the show. I'll be happy. After close to an hour, I'll still get 1,000 people, despite the suppression on the page go through. If you know the phone now, you won't get all latest news. Go for Telegraph, National Telegraph. You know more wait for say Telegraph will pop up for your Facebook page. If you search them by yourself, you go type National Telegraph will come up. You click there, you will read all the news every day just like that. Always go search the page. So because we put all information authentic, 100% now on Telegraph. And any man will watch me here, make sure say also share posts over the account from National Telegraph because we prepare a platform where we get a lot of debates in there, so most of them will watch me now from there now. So I don't give you that number for that Scrum School. Anybody watch me now, make someone put the number for screen here, just type the number down, we'll see. So that point not get the number they'll take them. Whether you watch now for side, if you do the class any side, you need even a small computer of 50,000, you take Scrum classes very, very well. So +1 240 701 7796 at the number that. +1 240 701 7796. So all man will watch me, call this number, attend that Scrum class. Because the more ambassadors they get job, the more people they watch from different countries. We will still do this ads for on top Telegraph. So anybody watch, call the number today. If we shall not be able to take the number down as I talk, after this show, if you come up to the last place, you can take the number. The number one spawner +1 240 701 7796. Ven Bati LLC. Ven Bati LLC. So make sure you call so that if you get to attend in the school, it will be very important. Verbatim LLC. If you get them on www.verbatim.com with Verbatim at VENBATI. visually write them at support@verbatim.com. And if you call this number, both WhatsApp and direct, for +1-240-701-7796, call them today. At least you get more people. All right, thank you so much. This same number on WhatsApp, Mr. Songani. This same number on WhatsApp. So just put +1. Now you give me put +1. +1-240-701-7796. So that's still WhatsApp. So you take the number, they both direct and both WhatsApp. Maybe tomorrow I'll do more number. Thank you. Some person don't put the number of pin right here. Pin this. Yes. +1-240-701-7796. Thank you so much. So that's the number. So I'll just play some music. Thank you. Oh, yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Somari. Thank you. So that's the number. Yes, come class. Thank you. Yeah. So any man, I mean, it be very important. Minus say not publicity, but now survivor information. To be honest, you know, now survivor information. You know, not you do and today won't be. If you, maybe you do and won't be the very next day finish the job. They think you pick a good job. If you stay 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but the most important is you get the knowledge, and anytime like something where you always get a job. And to be honest, I know a lot of people who have jobs in this field. Dr. Fontaine as Scrum Master and John Banco, and so on and so forth. You get a lot of people there. So you just make sure you call. Once you, I mean, in 6 weeks, it's so easy. In 1 month, they always clear up everything. They start training you, have a good job. Every year, don't do the Scrum, and then you never get the job. They do job training. Because the man, we get the school here in White, they work for one of the biggest companies there for US. So they get the experience. They know what they do. And I'll be happy that you bring to one Dr. Mufo from the UK. I think UK or Germany, where they teach quality assurance, all those things and stuff like that. It's so beautiful. I love it. And to be honest, since I started Scrum, it don't change my perspective about a couple of things about business. So everybody, so that's the number. I'll read that once when you watch for YouTube anywhere. +1-240-701-7796. It is both direct and WhatsApp. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you, Mr. Ako. God bless you. So anywhere we did, why they go? You don't in China, if you should pay by Western Union, anyhow I won't send them the money. Thank you so much. I'll end the show for thank all man. I will tell them say as I talk, you know, what the 18 or go on for Douala and so on and so forth. We do our best. I don't want to talk a lot about them. I don't really talk. Everybody don't know my intention. We say the drive when it comes to this action for ATM across the Mungo. And I know say most of the things that happen for the and we will do. But we'll not talk any further. Thank you so much. So now the number that for the Scrum class, I'll stop the show in 1 minute. Thank you. Okay, happy Sunday. Hopefully we'll see tomorrow. Oh, some person I send them an email, they never reply. Can you call them? Sometimes emails to our bloggers, you know. I understand how you can feel, but can you just call? Just take this number. The easiest way is to call right on WhatsApp. I mean, you know. Yeah, +1-240-701-7796. So that's the number. Just call them on direct line or WhatsApp. It'll be important. Yes. So thank you so much. And if you get difficulties connecting, if you still call me too, and I'll connect you to them. So thank you now. And then happy Sunday. All right. Thank you.